better size.
That's what we're looking for right there.
Load it up, dude.
All right, so me and my homie Daniel right here, about to hit some surf perch, and hopefully we don't get fucking skunked today because we don't know what we're doing. But we can give it a try anyway.
That's true.
Holy shit, this is fucking cold. Ugh. Got one. Got one. Got one. Daniel. Haha. Daniel. Fucking little surf perch. Let this little guy go. Got a picture. The skunk is off. So we're gonna do that again. I got a little gulp sandworm here. These things they're pretty much a one-use thing. If you open up the pack and you don't use them all, it's going to leak everywhere, and they reek. But they do work. So let's keep doing that. Let's catch some bigger fish. There we go. It's really just that easy. Like, they'll fight like they'll fight like a bluegill. You just gotta find your spots. Like, there's a little trough right there that I've been casting at. I'm getting bites. try it again. Got a decent little spot working right here. I think the real key is keeping your line nice and tight. That way you feel the little hits. Got a little spot right around there. I hit bottom, which is not very deep, probably like maybe 3 or 4 feet right there. And just keep your line tight. As your line will come in, just reel up slack. Keep a little bit reeling in. You just feel slack like that from the wave, reel up a little bit more, just keep it tight. Alright, we'll move down a little bit. I saw another spot up ahead where we were going. Oh, I missed it.
First cast of the sandworm.
Yep.
Fight and baited.
Yep, they are a one fish.
They're in there. How many of those sandworms you got?
I got 3 packs.
Oh shit, hook me up, dude. Hook me up. Dude, first fucking cast, man. Baited. Thank you, dude.
Yeah, like I said, these are like one trip things.
And they're little fucking...
They're like bluegill bites.
They're little guys. Alright, let's see if we can rig this a little better.
I mean, they feel firm, but they're soft.
Yeah.
As soon as you set the hook, they're ripped.
Whack, 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 and then I just leaned into it, started reeling. I mean, I didn't even set the hook, and then I brought it in, it was nothing. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I got a lot more meat on the hook this time.
There's a bite. Got him! Oh! Got him! They aren't very big, but they're fun. Now these do get much bigger. These are just little guys that we're catching, but they get about a little over a foot. I don't really know if it's better in the summer or the winter for these guys, but I do know they're active during the winter. So we'll keep doing this until we find something else to do. There's another bite. Oh, fucking missed him.
Dude, they keep baiting me, man.
Got another one? Hell yeah. It's a little better. That's a little better. Put them on camera. Hell yeah, that's what we're looking for right there.
They're a better size.
That's what we're looking for right there. Oh, I missed it. That was good. That was a good bite too.
He's out there fucking with us, man.
That was a little solid one too. Oh man. There we go. Oh, quick release on that. There's another one. Little better, little better.
They're in there.
Oh, dude, he swallowed the fuck out of that. Oh, buddy. Oh, missed it. Missed one.
Freeze it.
I missed one, but yeah, I'm
getting by, so we gotta go, man.
yeah, I can't see
I
it.
know you're freezing.
It's not good.
There we go. Get this guy. Man, it must be time you hear this, like,
Yeah, they're like and then they're exactly like bluegill. It's a bluegill bite.
yeah, we'll get by. Let's get out of here. Oh, never mind, I'm on.
Oh, he's on.
It's tiny.
Hey, the small ones count too, bro. Oh, shit.
Bro, you gotta be freezing.
It is not warm, that's for
Dude,
sure.
I'm cold and I'm all bundled up.
Yeah, I
That
can't
was
feel my
fun.
feet. Oh, 100%. I'm gonna come back out and do this again.
Yeah, definitely. We'll make a habit of it.